please bring Radha uncle and grandmother back, no matter where they are. The stuff that's written on these papers, only a family member can know about such things.
I'm sorry, sir, but I won't be able to help. Mohan, I have found out where that letter came from.
Mom, I am praying that no matter where Radha is, I don't care whether she lives or dies. I just don't want her to return home.
Mohan, what are you saying? Now Radha came back. All good.
No, Gungun. We don't have any relationship with her.
I hope Radha doesn't confess her feelings for Mohan.
Had she loved you, she wouldn't have left.
I don't know, but she came back.
And what if she leaves again?
Forgive me, Radha, but I cannot open the door. But Mohan sir has ordered me not to. What are you doing, Mohan? This is very wrong.
I'm really fed up of this father and daughter duo. Will the whole family keep watching Radha Mohan drama? Why can't they mind their own businesses?
Gungun, come inside, dear. It's getting late. Everyone wants to go to sleep.
Yes, Gungun, go back inside. Everyone is right. Look, your clothes are also wet. Go back inside or you will catch a cold. Go on.
If you don't ask Radha to come in, I will also stand outside like her. If Mohan Trivedi has a temper, then so does Gungun Trivedi.
Gungun,
Dulari, get my belongings here.
Hey, don't call Dulari. You have a temper. Come here, come.
Mohan! Radha! Mohan, no! Don't go!
Wait.
Mohan.
Bye, Radha. I wish I could say that we will meet again, but your life is going to end so soon.
Poor Gungun. She got scolded because of me.
What's taking these people so long?
It's 10 o'clock, Mohan. How long will you make me stay outside?
Don't create a scene in front of the house. Take her away from here and deal with her however you want.
What is this, madam? You intend to kill her? That too without creating a mess. This isn't possible.
Look, don't talk nonsense to me. And don't you act smart with me, okay? Just do as I say. I don't want a scene outside the house.
What is this, madam? Why are you getting upset? We will do as you say.
Good.
Yes. Do you want to meet someone?
Darn it, these foolish people. If Radha makes noise, everything will be ruined.
Yes, address.
No, what does she mean by she won't eat food?
Mohan sir, she said that she won't eat until Radha comes home.
Has everyone lost their minds in this house? As soon as we get rid of one problem, another one crops up. Fine, let her not eat.
Mohan.
How can I not let her eat?
Who are you people?
I swear.
Hey, where are you going, my dear Mohan?
Didn't you hear what she said? Gungun doesn't want to eat anything. She says she won't eat until Radha comes in. She takes after her dad. She won't budge.
Finally, you came to your senses. Now, Mohan, go and get Radha. Hurry up.
I have to bring Radha in.
Stop, Mohan! Are you really going to let her in, Mohan? She lied to us. She betrayed us. Are you really going to let her in?
Oh no. If Mohan opens the door, then it will be a big problem for me. I have to stop him. What are you doing, Mohan?
What else can I do? You tell me, Damini. I have to give in to my daughter's wishes. She has given up food and water. She says until Radha comes in, she won't eat or drink anything. So now I have to bring her in. You move aside.
No, Mohan. You know that Radha lied to us. If you forget everything and bring her back home, then what would Gungun think?
Really? You want to teach my daughter right from wrong? You are the world's biggest liar. You want to teach my daughter to tell the truth?
Today she stopped eating food because she wants Radha back. And tomorrow she might do something drastic to get her way. And if we keep fulfilling Gungun's wishes like this, she will never learn to differentiate right from wrong. Mohan, she is a kid. She will learn what we teach her. And I am going to become her mom now. Isn't her well-being my responsibility too?
You will never become my mom. Mohan, Damini doesn't want Radha to come back home.
Gungun is right, Mohan.
I know. You hate Radha. Mohan, Radha's dad and grandma aren't here and Radha is all alone. If they were here, what would they think? How would they feel?
Why are they taking so much time? Can't they handle a single girl?
Damini is really selfish. Mohan, just think, had I stayed outside all night, would you have done the same thing to me?
Gungun dear, you shouldn't speak when elders are talking. And you are talking too much today.
She's right. And now I'm going to do the right thing. Move aside.
But Mohan...
Damini, move aside. Where did Radha go? This girl. Radha!
Radha! Radha! Radha! Radha!
Radha!
Radha!
Radha!
Radha?
Where did Radha go? Because of you, poor Radha was waiting for so long, but you didn't let her in.
She won't go anywhere. She must be around somewhere. She won't leave me without mollifying me. Radha!
Radha? Oh, Radha!
Hey, Radha!
She won't go. You expected her to wait for you all night. You hurt her. She felt bad and left. I know her very well.
Gungun, I know her very well too. I know her, Gungun. She won't go anywhere. She's quite stubborn. Did you forget that she stood on one leg for her Bhagavad Gita for so many hours? Won't she wait a couple of hours for you? You don't worry, I am here. Call out her loudly. Say Radha.
Radha!
Radha! Radha!
Radha!
Radha!
Radha!
Hey, he's coming towards us.
Radha is not a kid. If she has decided that she doesn't want to stay here, then let her go. What's the use of searching for her?
Radha hasn't gone anywhere. She is here.
What do you mean? How could you be so sure?
Because Radha doesn't go anywhere without Lord Krishna's idol.
Right, she'll never leave Lord Krishna's idol behind.
Gungun is right. Radha won't go anywhere. She must be around.
If that guy gets closer, stab him. Be ready. Stab him as soon as he gets close. Stab him.
Mohan! Take a look. This pot over here is broken.
What?
Mohan, I think something must have happened here.
Mom, I think Radha is in danger. How did this pot fall down? And there are signs of a struggle. But these signs, they end here. Where do they go?
What are you saying, Mohan?
Shall we check the CCTV footage?
This cannot happen. Nothing can happen to Radha.
Footage. Yes, I'll go and look at the CCTV footage.
Oh Lord Krishna, who are these people?
Mom, I don't know who these people are, but this means that Radha was kidnapped.
Kidnap?
This happened 5 minutes ago. This means they wouldn't have gone far. I can catch those people.
Mohan, be careful.
Hello, Shekhar. Radha was kidnapped just now. I am sending you the CCTV footage and car number plate. Inform the police and set up blockades. I think they wouldn't have gone far. I am on the way. Okay, come.
Close all the roads in the 5-kilometer radius and check every car thoroughly.
Is anyone here?
Track. We cannot go ahead. The police has set up blockades. I am sure these people must have done it.
Let's take a left turn. We'll go from the back road.
You are right.
Look, no one will leave the house and don't let anyone come in. Rahul and Ajit, you have to stay alert. Okay?
Mohan, let us help you look for Radha.
Hey, we don't know who they are and where they have gone. They might ask for a ransom. So you both have to stay here.
Yes, Rahul, Mohan is absolutely right. If we won't stay here, who will?
Okay, now listen to me, Shekhar. You and I will take separate cars. We will look for her separately. Come with me.
Mohan, I used to say that you killed my mom. I won't say that now. But save Radha. Please save Radha. Promise me that you will save Radha. Promise me.
Hey, Gungun, I promise you that I will bring Radha back. Nothing will happen to her. I promise you. I will be back.
This promise will never be fulfilled, Mohan. Radha will soon meet her Lord Krishna.
They have set up blockades here too. Let's do one thing. We need to stay within this area, or we will get caught. The security is very tight.
For how long will we keep driving? Where are we going to take her?
Be quiet. Let's leave. Enough. Shut her mouth.
Radha, you don't be afraid, Radha. I will find you at all costs. I'm such an idiot. I'm a big fool. Why did I leave that poor girl outside the house alone? Where are you, Radha?
The client is calling me. I have to answer the call.
Did you kill the girl?
We can't take her anywhere. There are blockades everywhere in the city. We will get caught if we try to do anything.
Look, you can do what you want, but don't spare that girl's life. I will pay you double the money, understand?
Fine.
Good.
It's good to work for the rich people. They love to pay extra. We will get double the money if we kill this girl. Come on, let's get rid of her soon.
If they find out that I am awake, I don't know what they will do.
You got scared.
Mom, what's wrong with you? What happened? Why are you scared?
My dear, this Mohan has taken up an oath to go and find that Radha. I'm scared that he will definitely find her at any cost.
Mom, I want Mohan to find Radha, you know.
Have you lost your mind? You want that Mohan should find Radha?
I want him to find her body.
Oh Lord Krishna, what should I do? Please show me the way. Mohan, what is this?
Hey, you silly girl! This is handbrake.
Oh,
This stops the car. And it's risky to pull it when the car is moving. The car will roll and dash. Flip and roll.
Darn it! Hey, well! Hey, don't let us slip! Hey! Hey!
I think I saw Radha. Hello? Shekhar, did you find out anything?
No, Mohan, we haven't found Radha. I'll give you a call when I have an update.
Where did they take Radha? Where are you, Radha?
Gungun, don't cry, my dear.
I want Radha. I want to go to Radha. Radha!
Gungun, listen to me, dear. Radha will come back. Don't worry. Don't cry, please. Please.
Radha's scarf?
Thank you, Tulsi. I know you are here.
Did you see that, mother? Gungun cried, her eyes out. But as soon as she got Radha stole, she became more calmer. And you want Radha to leave this house?
What does Radha say? Lord Krishna loves everyone. He protects everyone. So why won't he protect the one who loves him the most? Dear, he won't let Radha be harmed. Just have faith in him.
Lord Krishna, please protect Radha.
Where did that girl go?
I don't know.
Go and check where she went.
Yes, I'll go take a look.
I think I'll have to inform the client. Hello? That girl ran away.
What do you mean by that? You are strong men and you could not handle a weak girl?
She pulled the handbrake. We couldn't do anything. Tell us what to do now, ma'am.
What do you mean by that? Just kill her. If that girl comes back to this house, then both of you will either die or go to jail.
Okay, ma'am.
Listen to me carefully. Make no mistake this time. Radha shouldn't survive, understood?
Yes, ma'am. I got it. She will be done for.
Why do I always have to deal with such fools? No, Radha. If I want to live so happily, then you will have to die for sure.
Radha, you don't worry, Radha. I will find you at any cost. Where are you, Radha?
You must be shocked to see me alive, Sister Damini. I have found out everything. Till date, whatever wrong happened in this family was done by you.
Radha,
Quiet! I'm done bearing your pretense. I might not have went around the world, but I can judge people very well. I knew you brought Hriday into this house. And today, you sent those goons to kill me.
Is it true, Damini? Are you behind all this, Damini?
Yes, Aunt Kadambari. Whatever I'm speaking is truth. Only Lord Krishna knows what problems and mishaps she caused in this family.
Damini, is it true?
Tell us, Damini, did you bring Hriday here?
Damini, did you get Radha kidnapped?
Damini, say something. What is Radha talking about?
Tell them everything.
Damini, are you the cheat in this family?
Sister, speak up.
Tell us, Damini. Answer my question. Tell us,
Did you
Damini.
get Radha kidnapped?
Tell us, Damini.
Tell us.
Sister,
Ma'am.
Madam, the people who have kidnapped Radha have been identified through the CCTV footage. They are professional criminals. They are involved in n number of kidnapping cases. Don't worry, I'm standing outside for your protection. Mr. Mohan has sent me here. So please, all of you don't go out of the house without informing me.
Okay, fine.
Thank you.
Gungun,
What is wrong with me? I am dreaming with my eyes open. Radha won't return to this house.
Mohan?
Radha? 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 I think it was my illusion. Radha! It's all my mistake. Why did I leave her alone outside?
You acted too smart. You pulled the handbrake. You tried to fool us. We will teach you a lesson. Come on.
Where are you taking me? Leave me! Mohan! Let me go! Mohan! Lord Krishna! Leave me! Let go of me!
Radha is in grave trouble. Someone has kidnapped her. You know, she is my best friend. Protect her, please, please, please.
God knows whether they found Radha or not.
Hey, Gungun. You have waited so much. Why don't you take a break, sit down? Radha will be back soon.
Mom, Gungun hasn't eaten anything until now. Look at her condition. I hope she doesn't fall ill.
Even I am afraid of that, Ketki. Lord Krishna, I am worried sick about this little girl.
Look, my dear, you are also going to be Gungun's mother soon. You should also show a little care.
Gungun dear, please don't cry. Radha will come back.
Stay away from me. You must be happy right now. You would wish that Radha never returns to this house.
We are trapped. What do we do of her?
What do you mean by that? Cut her body into pieces. Reduce her to ashes or throw her body into the river or bury her alive. But this time she should not survive.
Sir, a girl has been kidnapped. Can't your force find her? Were you having fun?
So what were you doing when she disappeared?
I think Damini got Radha kidnapped. Both of them are smiling as if their plan succeeded.
Radha, why do I have a feeling that you are somewhere near to me?
Have you gone mad? What are you doing?
I am removing Radha's dupatta which is stuck here.
So what I found out at the temple was true. A family member is in cahoots with them. How else would they find out? I sent a message through the watch